In this video, we're gonna learn how to add a table summary to a table in Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. Welcome to the Accessibility Guide channel. My name is Sean Jordison, and let's jump right in. To begin, I'm going to open up the Prepare for Accessibility option. Then I'm gonna select Fix Reading Order. From here, I want to right-click my table and select Edit Table Summary, and this is where we can put in a quick summary. I'll say overview of services and cost, and then select OK. This specific error occurs when you run the accessibility checker in Adobe Acrobat, and this is where it says summary failed. That is how you fix the summary failed error. That concludes this video on how to add a table summary to a table using Adobe Acrobat Pro DC. If you want to find out how I can help you get accessible, or if you want some training by yours truly, check out the link in the description of this video. And as always, I could be your champion for inclusion. Thank you so much for joining me today, and I'll see you next time.